The Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, often informally known as the LDS Church or Mormon Church, is a nontrinitarian, Christian restorationist church that considers itself to be the restoration of the original church founded by Jesus Christ. The church is headquartered in the United States in Salt Lake City, Utah, and has established congregations and built temples worldwide. According to the church, it has over 16.5 million members and 67,000 full-time volunteer missionaries. In 2012, the National Council of Churches ranked the church as the fourth largest Christian denomination in the United States, with over 6.5 million members there, as of January 2018. It is the largest denomination in the Latter-day Saint movement founded by Joseph Smith during the early 19th century period of religious revival known as the Second Great Awakening. Adherents, often referred to as Latter-day Saints, or, less formally, Mormons, view faith in Jesus Christ and his atonement as fundamental principles of their religion. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.